I'm changing the air filter on my 54,000 mile 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, and I'm going to use the K&N drop-in filter because I watched Donut Media put it on their Mustang and it made a bunch more power. Let's do it. Pretty straightforward. You have one clip here and then another one right next to it. And then you should just lift it up and pull. I have no idea what I'm going to see. I have no idea what to expect. Lift it up, pull it up. All right, here's the old one. Kind of stuck in there. Wow, but not too bad. Okay, looks like this lady was actually maintaining her vehicle this entire time, even though it has low miles. Well, out with the old and in with the new performance. Let's just plop it in here. Plop right in. It fits. Push that in. All right. And it's that easy. A dealership would have charged you $150 for that, by the way. Well, it's a good thing I read instructions because on the Explorer Sport Trac, I'm supposed to install this gasket. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I gotta just, this doesn't look like it's a sticker. I don't think it's like sticky, is it? Nope. Oh, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh man, watch this just start sticking to itself. All right. Oakley dokley. Oh, it's sticking to other things. Oh boy, that's not fun. All right. Let's see. You're going to start with one corner. Oh, got it the wrong way, I think. I don't think that's a perfect square, is it? Oh, this is tough. Okay. All right. Oh, I hate this stuff, man. Oakley dokley. There we go. Goes down here. And then this goes right over here. Oh. All right. Now we install it. Ugh. And I hope that worked. Let's see. Nice and easy. And that's how you install a performance air filter in your 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Until next time.